evening, everybody. I think people are sitting in front, right, Neelam?
Yes.
Good evening. I think we can do much better. We had a very good lunch in the afternoon, am I right? One more time, come on, everybody. Good evening. Wow, okay, I think the tempo is building up slowly. Neelam, how about you give it a shot? Let's see. I think guys will respond a lot better to ladies, right?
Is
So,
it?
just give it a shot, let's see.
Let's try your theory out, Gavin.
Please do,
All
please.
right. So I'm gonna ask how you guys are doing, and he's gonna ask how you guys are doing, and let's see who gets a better response.
Super.
Fair
How
enough?
about you start? Ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay, guys, you have to help me out and be on my side. How is everybody doing tonight?
Okay. How is everybody doing? Okay, I think the people in the front rows are responding to you and the people behind are responding to me.
I think at the end of the day, the queens win. The queens rule all.
No, the kings rule all, yeah. The kings rule all. What do you say? The kings or the queens? I can't hear you. The kings or the queens? I still can't hear you.
Queens, queens.
King or queen? King or queen?
प्रोजेक्शन तुम्हारे कैमरे का आ रहा नहीं हाँ तो वही पूछ रहा हूँ ना मैं ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है
Super. Neelam, you know, we've got a very special guest here today, and I'm sure everyone is aware of her. But I would like to introduce her to everyone once again. She is the individual who won the crown last year. So Rashika. So can we all put our hands together? Everybody put your hands together and welcome on stage Rashika!
Yes, she has been there, done that. She took on this stage last year and she came out on top. Let's meet last year's winner. Where are you, the lovely Rashika?
Okay, Neelam, can I say something? Can I get the music a bit low? Thank you. Can I say something?
Sure.
Okay. When I told the audience to applaud and welcome, I just wanted to see how good the audience are in welcoming people on stage. So I just wanted to see the response. Rashika is not present with us at the moment, but she'll be here in a few moments. Right? So I just wanted to see the response. Right? Okay. Can everybody hear me and Neelam clearly? Yes. I can't hear you. Can y'all hear me?
You know, actually, guys, what the problem is there's so much light on stage, so we can't actually see you. So we need to hear you, yeah?
Absolutely. The louder you are, the more you motivate us. And besides us, you need to motivate all these contestants on stage. Let me remind you, friends, that all these kings and queens are going to be walking down the ramp, are going to be walking for the very first time, right? And they're nervous, they're scared, there's a lot of people looking at them. So by your claps, by your cheers, they will be comfortable. So can I hear everybody clapping and cheering? Come on, let me see a demo of everybody's hands together and cheering together!
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow, that's awesome. Before we go ahead, Neelam, before we call Rashika, let's go ahead with the audience and see. Let's see if we can have a word with the parents or a few of our friends gathered right here. What do you say?
Sure, that sounds good.
Please, come on.
All right, so let's head down into the audience, up close and personal, and get to know a few of the audience members a little bit better and find out exactly whom they are supporting tonight. Start off with the parents, Gavin.
Yeah, absolutely, the parents.
Nothing like support of your parents and your family. Can you please put your hands up if you're here to support
Where are the parents? We'd like to see where the parents are.
your
Parents.
child tonight?
Okay,
Okay,
I
I
can
see
see
some hands
parents.
go up over there.
Proud parents, proud parents. with
Very,
your
very
hands up.
proud. I can see the smile all the way here, even though it's kind of dark here at the back, but I can see big, big smiles, and I'm sure those smiles are on the faces of the parents.
Parents, put your hands up. I can't see you. Where are the parents?
There, I see somebody sitting right there.
Parents, okay. We are
On
we're
this
coming to
table.
this table. Yeah, we've got parents here finally. Enjoying a nice drink, enjoying the evening. Your good names? And? Okay, as I said, all the participants are walking down, are all walking for the very first time. Any words of wisdom or motivation for all of them?
They should perform well, and I hope they will do the best. So let's hope we will find the best.
Absolutely. And my dear friends, see, we've already come with you in the audience. We're also part of the audience. It's a very simple thing. Everyone walking on the stage is new. Looking at an audience as huge is all new for them. They're going to get scared, they're going to get nervous, and you'll need to applaud. Can everyone, since we are with you, can you all clap together? Can I see everyone's hands together? Everybody. I think y'all can do better. Everybody's. I want to see this energy till late in the evening. What do you say, Neelam?
Absolutely. It's really, really scary being on a stage like this. I mean, in front of such an audience, such a big platform, so many lights, there's so much going on. And believe me when I say that these contestants have transformed. They've undergone a training for almost a month now, and they are truly different people, and you'll see that difference when you see them taking that ramp with a confidence like never before. So I'm here with another family. Can you stand up, please? You also are lovely enough to be a contestant on a stage like this.
Thank you so much.
Why haven't you taken part?
I guess there can be only one winner. I'll participate next year.
Ah, she's got the looks and she's got the attitude and personality. I like it. So who are you here to support tonight?
I'm here to support my sister, Himani Chauhan.
Okay, so Himani, your sister is taking the stage. Alright, so suppose she's backstage, she's got a lot going on, but maybe she's listening to this. What do you want to say to Himani?
I guess she's already very confident. My words would not be sufficient. They won't be enough for her confidence. She's too good, and I guess if she is not the May Queen, she's our queen. So
Wow.
that's all I guess.
Big words, come on here. That's
A
big
big
words,
round of
ladies and gentlemen.
applause.
Wow.
Alright, so a lot of support and love pouring in from the audience. A lot of support, and believe me, my friends, that support goes a long, long way on a stage like this. I want you guys to be so loud and cheering for your favorite contestant, and you never know, it might just put them right at the top.
Absolutely. And Neelam Sabad, I think it's time for us to get started.
Alright?
And we have a very important individual who's joined us here today. We have Lieutenant General Ashok Singh, who's our chief guest. Let's all welcome him with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Lieutenant General Ashok Singh.
Welcome, sir. Very good evening.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us here Lieutenant General Ashok Singh, who's our chief guest of this evening. जोरदार तालियों के साथ प्लीज स्वागत कीजिए. जोरदार तालियों के साथ.
Very good evening and welcome to you, sir.
Good evening, sir. The request is kindly please be seated and enjoy the show and have a wonderful evening.
You know, Gavin, I'm actually feeling the nervousness from backstage.
There's actually a lot of tension. Even
There is.
my heart is also still beating. I really don't know why. You know, it's our daily job to get on a stage and interact with an audience, but today there's a little bit of tension, a little bit of nervousness all around. I really don't know why. I'm a little speechless myself.
You know what I think it is? I think it's an emotional connect. We've been spending so much time with these contestants. We have a bond with
Absolutely.
each of them, and you know, it's so nice to see them come on a platform like this and shine like never before.
And I think they're going to do their best. We saw them rehearsing yesterday, day before, and they've been giving their best. I just hope that the winner turns out to be the right candidate, the right king and the queen. And the right candidate will only be one with your love and your support. And when I say love and support, I mean your cheers and your applause. So I think it's about to start off our event.
Yes, I
Right.
can see a lot of people who are walking in as we speak.
Absolutely.
A lot of people joining us. The more, the merrier. And we're going to be starting our stage show in just a few minutes from now. To anyone who has just walked in, just joined us, this is the RSI May Queen 2014. May Queen
And the
with
May-
a difference. It's
and-
the May Queen
and the May King.
May King.
King.
Yes,
And before
Gavin.
we forget two important things,
Yes.
two very important things I'd like to share with the audience. That this beautiful lady standing to my left is Neelam Daswani. Can we get a huge round of applause for her, everybody? Huge round of applause for Neelam Daswani. Yeah. And myself, my name is MC Gavin, also known as the talking machine. So can someone applaud for me? Can I see hands together for me? Come on, everybody.
And applaud for you.
Yeah, okay, Neelam is applauding for me. Thank you very, very much. Let's start off our event. I think let's start off by introducing our judges here because an event is incomplete without our judges.
Yes, Gavin, you said it absolutely right. The show is in the hands of the judges. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this stage is pure magic. Anything can happen here. This is a place for talent to shine. This is a place where dreams come true. It opens the doors to the world of glitz, glamour, stardom, fashion. It opens a land of opportunity to anywhere that you would like to venture. Now we have 18 youngsters who have their eye on the prize tonight. Which one of them will be the next big thing? We'll find out by the end of the evening.
Absolutely.
For the moment, ladies and gentlemen, any competition is incomplete without an eminent panel of judges. Isn't that right, Gavin?
Absolutely. Our judges are very important. And so let us not waste time by introducing our first judge of this evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure and privilege to introduce our chief judge for tonight. Please put your hands together and make some noise for Mrs. Usha Singh, Regional President, our Southern Command. Mrs. Usha Singh is an alumni of Kamala Nehru College, Delhi University, and also of South Delhi Polytechnic for Women. She's a very creative